As AI continues to evolve, it's clear that not all jobs will survive the transformation. Some roles are more vulnerable than others. The most at-risk jobs share one thing in common: they involve repetitive tasks, structured environments, and easily defined rules. Let's explore some of these roles. 1. Data entry clerks, perhaps the most vulnerable job of all. AI systems can now input, sort, and verify data faster and with fewer errors than any human. What used to be an office staple is now increasingly obsolete. 2. Telemarketers. AI voice systems have become incredibly advanced. They can handle cold calls, answer objections, and even detect emotional cues in a customer's voice. With predictive analytics, AI can also decide who to call and when. In most cases, customers don't even realize they're speaking to a machine. 3. Drivers and delivery services. Self-driving vehicles are already on the road. Autonomous delivery bots and drones are being tested and deployed in urban areas. From truck drivers to last-mile delivery workers, automation is set to drastically cut down human roles in
Transport 4.
Retail and cashier positions. With self-checkout kiosks, online ordering systems, and smart inventory management, physical retail jobs are rapidly disappearing. AI tracks shopping patterns, recommends products, and handles payments without human input. 5. Manufacturing line workers. Factory work was among the first to see widespread automation. Now, AI-powered robots handle not only physical tasks but also decision-making and quality control. Smart factories require far fewer human workers than ever before. 6. Travel agents and booking clerks. Online platforms powered by AI now offer better personalized travel planning than most human agents. They can recommend flights, hotels, and itineraries based on past behavior and preferences. 7. Fast food workers. From AI order-taking systems to robot chefs flipping burgers, the fast food industry is leaning into automation to cut costs and boost speed. 8. Basic legal and accounting jobs. AI systems are capable of processing legal contracts, auditing financial reports, and even offering tax advice. Routine roles like paralegals and junior accountants are under serious threat. But here's the catch: it's not just low-skilled jobs that are at risk. AI is coming for white-collar jobs too. Financial analysts, journalists, software testers, even coders are all seeing aspects of their work being automated. The question isn't just who will be replaced, but how much of your job can AI take over?